I'm going to show you my proven step-by-step method to writing AI-generated content that actually ranks on Google. And I know there's a lot of confusion out there right now and a lot of worry about AI content and whether Google's going to penalize you. And I'm here to tell you right off the rip, Google does not care if it's AI-generated content. What Google cares about is making helpful content and helping the searchers. So let me show you real quick here some examples I pulled up on my screen. So this is a client, Westglow Studio. It's a candle company we've been doing SEO for a while. If you take this keyword right here, our woodwick candle safe, right? Toxic, you can see right here, we rank #1 for that keyword. And currently we get about 168 clicks with about 7,500 impressions a month. Another one here is coconut apricot wax versus soy wax. Wrote this article back in mid-December, and you can see right there, it's ranking #2. Yes, it does get clicks. And yes, it was written with 100% AI-generated tools. Even the image was created, which that can be a better image, but it still ranks nonetheless. So with that being said, it's clear to me that AI content can rank on Google. It can bring in search traffic. So with that said, I'm going to show you my step-by-step process with a brand new topic from start to finish on how I generate SEO optimized AI generated content. So let's get right down into it. And today's subject is going to be ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. So DeepSeek just recently came out and it's been causing a lot of ruckus in the AI market. So I figured, this is probably going to be a pretty popular topic for a while now. And I'm going to write a blog article right here, ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. I'm going to plug this into my SEO Analyzer tool here. This is a custom tool that I've built with an AI text-to-code editor. I do plan on releasing this to the public soon. So if you're interested in that, please drop a comment in the video. Let me know. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to put this keyword in here and we're going to go out to Google and we're going to fetch real Google results. And then we're going to analyze that data and create a content outline, which is going to allow me to generate a SEO optimized blog article inside of ChatGPT. Hopefully I can get this done in about 20 minutes. So that one looks good right there. That one. We're going to skip anything Reddit. We're going to skip anything core related, Tom's Guide, PC Gamer. We're just going to select some of these here. That should be good right there. I'm going to analyze these URLs. So now these URLs that I've selected from the real search results from Google, I'm going to go ahead and get a snapshot of those and get the data that I need to be able to generate the outline. Okay, now I've analyzed the search results. I'm going to go ahead and just generate a basic outline for this real quick. So what this is going to do is it's going to take the data that I've just extracted from all these selected URLs, and it's going to run a prompt with that data to analyze it and generate an SEO optimized prompt based on real-time search result data. So this allows me to analyze articles, YouTube videos, all kinds of stuff to be able to pull in a whole wide variety of data and be able to craft really nice outlines. So you're going to see that here in a second. Okay, outline saved. Let's pull this open. Let's go over to here, my Markdown previewer. Put this in. Okay, we got an outline here. ChatGPT versus DeepSeek, comprehensive comparison. What is ChatGPT? What is DeepSeek? Key differences between them. Model architecture, pros and cons, comparative analytics. Boom, boom, boom. Feature outlooks and developments. This looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and run one more outline real quick here. Okay, this looks pretty similar. So the first outline I'm going to go with, now I'm going to load up a research prompt. And what this is going to do is it's going to take the data and it's going to create a research document. So in that, I'm going to have the audience, call to action, the content type, the search intent. It's going to analyze all this data for me and provide a really nice research doc that I can then take the outline and the research doc, combine it into another mega outline prompt, And from there, I can generate my SEO optimized outline. And there we go. I'm going to run it one more time. Okay, and now we have it. And we're going to go ahead and plug this in to enhanced outline prompt. I'm going to load this prompt up. We're going to do this right here. Expand this out. So coverage work. 1200. Content type is going to be a comparison guide. Professional yet conversational tone. I want to plug those into there. So the search intent is going to be, actually, search intent is primarily very transactional. Okay. Sorry about that. Search intent is information with a secondary transactional. Content type is going to be comparison guide. And we're going to get the SEO titles from this. So what would be here is I'm going to copy this from here, put this into a down previewer. And delete this. We're going to plug in our keywords, plug in our relevant external links. And then we're going to take our outline here, put this in there, say, and then we're going to hit generate outline. So now we've taken further our prompt by feeding it the data from the first two runs, whether from the prompt and the research prompt, which now we plugged into a mega outline prompt, which is going to take all that data and build a custom SEO optimized outline. So you're going to see that here in a second here. And there it is. Boom. Right. Now I can take this and plug this into my markdown previewer, take my old outline, and boom, plug this in. Now you can see I have word count for each section broken up. I have the external links placed properly. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually take the parentheses off these. And then from here, what I can do is take this, go into ChatGPT. This is my GigaPrompt here. And just to show you up, it's a massive prompt that has short codes that need to be filled out yet before I can run this. So we run this first. It says, got it, send me the data. So I can go back down to my markdown previewer. And what I can do from here is just copy all this data, plug this into here. We'll say it's here. So just dig it out. Right. I'm just going to start filling out my GigaPrompt, right? SEO expert, write a compelling informational comparison guide article. Here's the word count, the audience, the writing guidelines. I'm going to redo it again because I want to make sure it fills out the whole entire prompt. I'm doing it right for some odd reason. ChatGPT isn't always perfect, but we got some different models in here. Okay. Copied. I'm going to put this in here. Delete this part because we don't need it. We're going to add in some expertise. Go back up to the top here. Start over. Perplexity. And then perplexity real quick to get a bio. Boom. Here we go. Okay, so now I can just run this prompt over and over again. This took me a little bit to get set up and going, but it's well worth the content that you get, I believe. So what is ChatGPT? Key features. What is DeepSeek? Boom. Next section. All right. So there we have it. We have the start to finish blog article. Now what I can do is I can take this blog article, Boom, with my nifty little Chrome browser plugin here, and copy all these chats and export them to a Google Doc pretty quickly. Let's see here. Export to Google Doc. Boom. This right here. Now we're just going to format it real quick. You know, we're going to go to DeepSeek. Tell it to make some image prompts. I've noticed DeepSeek is really good at doing basic things very well. Sometimes it's better than ChatGPT. ChatGPT can kind of overdo it. See if we can get this here. Go into FlexDev, put this prompt in here real quick, see if we can create a blog post image for this. Back up here to our top. We're going to bring in our SEO title. Fold that. Bring in our meta description. That's that right there. Highlight this. This will be the slug. My writing team know. Okay. And let's go with this one. I want something cool looking. Well, that's running. I will run it through Grammarly real quick. Just fix the correctness. And just for good sake, we'll run it through the AI plagiarism checker. Go back, let's check our image real quick. Let's go ahead and save this image as. Save it in our downloads. Let's go to IDgram. And let's clear this file. Click the upload. And let's go ahead and put the text in there. Let's run it. Let's see if we can get one. Meantime, let's check our AI detection. 27% of your text has patterns that resemble AI. That's not bad in my opinion. Honestly, that number could have came back 80%. I totally would not have cared. I still would have published this article. So you see right here, which A model is right for you in 2025, ChatGPT or DeepSeek? With AI technology evolving at breakneck speed, business developers and tech enthusiasts are faced with a tough decision when choosing an AI assistant. The AI landscape has changed dramatically, with ChatGPT leading the charge in conversation, while DeepSeek emerges as innovative, open-source alternatives. Each model offers unique strengths and weaknesses, making it crucial to understand the differences before deciding which one suits your needs. This article will compare ChatGPT and DeepSeek, analyzing the performance, features, use cases, cost, and privacy considerations. Whether you're a developer looking for efficiency, a business owner seeking a cost-effective solution, or simply an AI enthusiast, this guide will help you make an informed decision. Right. So leads the reader in, boom, 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 key differences, puts tables in there, emojis. This is a really good blog article right here. Highly researched. You would have thought I spent hours researching it. You just watched me build the damn thing in about 20 minutes. Let's see here. I didn't really like that image, so we're going to build a different one. We'll go with this one. Why not? ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. We'll pop this in here, right up here. And now we officially have a blog article image, right? ChatGPT versus DeepSeek, boom, boom, boom. There it is, folks. As you can see, the article is right around 1,900 words long, but it covers the topic in depth, gives it styling, formats it all. And yeah, even it does internal linking, or external linking, I should say. DeepSeek release documents. Boom, boom. So that's basically it. That is my writing process. Sometimes it takes me 20 minutes, sometimes it takes me 30, 40 minutes, but I can crank out an article and get amazing results just about every single time with this process. So if you have any questions about that or the tool that I used, please drop below. I am working diligently to try and figure out a way to get this rolled out.